Okay, I'm gonna do a little something this morning. Working with this AZ recorder. It's an app, an Android app that records your screen as I'm flying. So I'm gonna test this out a little bit and see how that works out. So we'll go on up and fly around a little bit. So what you're seeing here is on my screen from the AZ recorder, and then I'll post that link later. So up we go. Won't get too high here. There's the bridge over there. It's called the Blue Bridge. And this is the freeway running through the Tri-Cities here. Gotta take a look at that down there. Also have a ND filter on here I'm playing with, so to see what that does. I don't have it on manual mode yet. I'm just trying it with auto and to see what it does. I don't know if it has a lot of effect there, but yeah, we'll spin around here. Trying to practice where I'm not spinning super fast because I know that doesn't look too well. Now this is looking to the west in the Tri-Cities on the Columbia River here, so yeah, I'll get up a little higher here. As long as I stay under my 400 feet here, I think I should be good. Yeah, take a look down as I go up a little bit. Yeah, we'll come around here, look at the park. I haven't did anything forward, so I should be able to look straight down on me here. So we'll try that. Coming down, coming down. There's my car right there. Oops. And my pad, getting a little bit of a, better go back up there a little bit. Let me back up here a little bit. It's fairly windy out there, so yeah, I'm just getting a strong wind warning right here. Guess I better come back down here a little bit. Wind wasn't bad on the ground level here, but so we'll get a little closer to the ground and run around the park here a little bit. Still got over half a battery left there, so I'm in that car right there and doing it inside, and it's nice and warm in the wind. Yeah, I'll get a little lower to the park here onto the grass and see if I can run out a ways, and then I'll come back towards the car. Okay, up we go. Let me put this in normal mode. Let me try sport mode. I have not tried sport mode yet, so I think I'll try that. I'll head towards that building over there. Let's see what we can do. There's sport mode. Full speed sport mode across this field here. Well, that got over there pretty fast. Now, for some reason I'm in FPV mode, I think. No? I think my gimbal's picking up some wind. Okay, spinning back around. Then I'll head back for my car here on full sport mode. We get down a little bit here, a little bit lower. Don't want to get too close to the ground, but good enough to where we can see the. Now I'll go zipping across here. Get positioned here, right? Get the car in the center. Okay, here we go. Sport mode, going across the grass towards the car. Yeah, I can see the wind blowing the leaves. A little bit windy for this little guy, so I'll probably end this test right here and see how it works. Mostly it was to test this AZ app here, so. Okay, I'll get out and land it now by hand. Manual mode. Got pretty windy out here. Come on back here, baby. Yeah, it's getting tossed around up there pretty well. Come on back here. Come on to mama. Come on to papa. There we go. Let's see if I can land it on this pad here. Have a hard time landing on the pad. Okay, so that was that test. Thanks for watching, and we'll see if that works.